Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the license source, Microsoft 365 subscription versus a one-time Office purchase. Open Excel, go to File then Account, and note the exact error text and the signed-in email. Once done, make sure your PC has working internet, correct system time, and no VPN or proxy that blocks activation. You do this because activation contacts Microsoft servers. If network or account mismatches exist, the product will remain unlicensed, and you'll need the correct credentials or connectivity to proceed. Next, you re-establish a clean activation state. Sign out of Office entirely and sign back in using the account tied to the license. This forces a fresh token exchange. If that fails, run Quick Repair from Settings Apps Microsoft Office Modify. If unresolved, run Online Repair, which reinstalls core files. Also verify whether your copy came from Microsoft Store or MSI Installer, because mismatched install types can block activation. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the correct package to align installer type with your license. Finally, you gather diagnostic info and apply final fixes. Run the Office Activation Diagnostic or use cscript OSP. VBS/D status to see installed product keys and status. Remove stale keys and re-enter the correct product key if you have one. If you use Microsoft 365, ensure the account is assigned a license in the admin portal or convert to the proper subscription. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with the exact error codes and log files. This speeds resolution because they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.